Our sizes of our hook and loop, our Sidewinder product, they'll go anywhere from about 1 inch all the way up to 8 inches, a standard product that we keep in stock. We have many, many sizes in between this, and then we also do custom sizes for manufacturers. We can also take this and we can cut it into certain lengths. So if you need a certain length on your piece of equipment, we can do all the cutting and provide a cut piece for your assembly line. Here's how you'd size the sleeve for proper sleeving. Here's a group of hoses right here, and if we take a tape measure, if you have a piece of string, if you don't have a tape measure like this, what we're doing is we're just wrapping this around the hose assembly right here, and what we're getting here is we're getting about an 8.5 inch circumference around this sleeve right here. Generally what we do is we normally add about 1 inch to that, so it gives you a little flexibility, because if those hoses move, you need to have the sleeve a little bit larger than your hoses. So that would be about a 9.5 inch circumference around there. So if you go to the chart, either in our catalogs or on the website, or the chart you see that's shown here in the video, that shows 9.5 inches. That would equate to an SL 3.0 sleeve. Example, here's a piece of sleeving. The dimension from here to here is 9.5 inches. And the reason we don't measure the overall length is when this sleeve is assembled, you have that overlap of about 1.5 inches. So the circumference, when this is properly assembled, would be that 9.5 inches, or it would give you about a 3-inch diameter. So when you have your hose assembly, the most easy way is just to have your hose assembly laid down. Your sleeving comes up on there, and it just wraps. Just put a little pressure on there, and now you have your sleeving assembly that's bundled in there for your protection. So let's say you have a hose assembly. This could be maybe 50 feet long or 20 feet long, and somewhere along the way you need to have another hose exit this assembly. This is very easy to do with our system. All you need to do is cut out a little notch in the hook and loop right there, and your hose assembly can run right out of there. Now this sleeve here, you might have individual sleeved going up to that piece of equipment for protection on this one, but it allows a very easy way to route other hoses or maybe electrical lines out of the bundling.